Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but I'm back. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, so this hair is from Yolana Hair on Amazon. This is their 24-inch Senegalese twist. I got it in the color dark brown. And each bundle is 11 pieces and I use 8 packs. Alright, this is my braiding pattern. And this is going to be a side part on the right side. As you can see, I did a little crisscross braid up there. So yeah, so I'm just going to start crocheting. And something that I recently learned that really helped me through this is whichever way you want your braid to hang down is the way that you need to put in the crochet needle. So as you can see, I just put that needle going downwards and not upwards because I don't want them to go up. So I want them to go down, and I want the knot to be on the bottom. As you can see right here, the knot is on the bottom, not on the top. So it will lay very flat and seamlessly. Okay, now I'm just going to keep going and laying the crochet needle downwards so that all of these braids can be flat up until I get to the parting area. Okay, now I'm at the parting area, so in a second I'm going to start putting the braids going the opposite direction, as you can see when my hand is going. So right here on this little section, I am going to continue to lay them flat this way, but once I get up to the V part, I'm going to start placing the needle the other way so the braids can go the other way. If that makes sense. Sorry, that was kind of confusing. All right, right here, I'm going to start placing the crochet needle going upwards so my braids can lie that way, so I can have a little bang action. You know? Yeah. Yes, so I'm just going to continue to go the opposite way throughout the rest of this process. All right, so I'm just going to play some music and let y'all watch right now. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Look at how good they look. So I'm just going to show you a couple of styles. And yes, this is it, y'all. Make sure you check out Yolana Hair on Amazon, and I will have all the details down below in the description. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.